y'all. Today is October 31st, and we are about to
go to Halloween. I got my Venom costume. Here I'm just gonna wear like a mask. That's it. So we're just gonna go to Halloween and have some fun. I don't know how to put this on. I tried it. I can't.
try it, man. Put it on.
I tried.
What are you doing?
Here you go.
Leave it alone.
Well, I can't see.
Pull it down. Just keep pulling it down so you can see. Oh, that's scary. Oh, excuse me. Hi.
I love my mask.
Catch your mask in there too, but I don't think he can wear it. Go. Bye-bye. Say hi. Kimora. Hi, pretty. No, I was going to go back and get it. Oh, what is it? Hey, Ethan.
That's one in my bag. Sorry? Candy. So look at this. Don't smell this? It's candy, bro.
Push it all to the middle.
Okay.
No, I think that's an eraser.
Eraser, y'all. Okay.
Push everything in one pile.
Imagine we have more. Imagine we have.
We do have some more.
Where?
Hold on, another bag.
So y'all, we got one more bag. This might be a little crazy.
How many pieces do you think it is?
Huh?
How many pieces do you think we got?
About 2,000. Why are you still not recording this? Oh, you still sitting.
What? Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's still sitting.
That's crazy.
This one.
All right, y'all. So we about to shut it down
For no reason.
for no reason.
Yeah.
It's tired. We're tired.
So,
We're very tired. So,
now, how much?
peace.